Section 1. What is a CTA? A CTA is a call to action. It's a crucial element in digital marketing. It tells people what you want them to do, guiding their next steps. Do you want them to buy now? Perhaps add an item to their cart, sign up for your email list, click on a link to learn more. A strong CTA makes it clear and compelling. In digital marketing, CTAs are everywhere, integrated into various platforms. You see them on websites, social media, and online ads, constantly prompting action. A good CTA gets people to take action. It drives engagement and conversions. Think of a CTA like a signpost directing your audience. It guides your audience in the right direction, ensuring they know what to do next. Make your CTAs clear, concise, and impossible to miss. This ensures maximum effectiveness. Section 2, the power of urgency. Want people to act fast? Create a sense of urgency. Urgency can be a game changer in marketing. Limited time offers are a great example. Phrases like sale ends tonight or only 24 hours left grab attention immediately. Scarcity also boosts urgency. Only 10 spots left or limited edition product. These create a rush. People don't want to miss out. This fear of missing out, or FOMO, is powerful. FOMO motivates action. When people feel they might miss an opportunity, they act quickly. Use this sense of urgency wisely in your CTAs. It can significantly boost your conversion rates. But remember, always be honest and transparent with your audience. Ethical marketing builds trust and long-term relationships. Section 3, your 24/7 marketing machine. Imagine a system that works for you 24/7. No sleep, no breaks, just constant marketing. Sounds good, right? This is the power of automation. Automated email sequences, scheduled social media posts, and targeted ads run while you focus on other things. It's like having a team of digital marketers working around the clock. The best part, you don't need to be a tech expert. Many user-friendly tools make automation accessible to everyone. Section 4. Simple steps, big results. You don't need to spend all day on digital marketing. Even just 2 hours a day can make a huge difference. Consistency is key. Start by posting free ads on platforms like Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist. Share engaging content on social media. Engage with your followers. Answer their questions. Focus on quality over quantity. One great piece of content is better than 10 mediocre ones. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Section 5, attract the perfect customer. Not all customers are created equal. Each customer has unique needs and preferences. You want to attract the right people, your ideal customers. These are the ones who will benefit the most from your product or service. This is where a step-by-step blueprint comes in. Define your target audience. Who are they? What are their demographics, interests, and behaviors? What are their pain points? Understanding their challenges is crucial. What solutions do you offer? How can your product or service alleviate their problems? Once you understand your audience, craft targeted messages that resonate. Your messaging should speak directly to their needs and desires. Use your CTA to guide them through the sales funnel. Make it clear and compelling. From awareness to purchase, each step should be carefully planned. Ensure a seamless journey for your customers. This is how you turn leads into loyal customers. Satisfied customers will not only return, but also spread the word about your business.